What's up, guys? So, I got something in the mail today, and I wanted to unbox it with you. I have this here. I wanted to do this as an unboxing with you guys, but it was very poor. But, we're just gonna have that here just for like pop or whatever. But, let's start. Oh. Oops. It is a tight fit. There we go. I should be able to pull it out now. Oh. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, it was a real tight fit. Collector's edition, custom saber, works ultimate. If you can. Dude. Oh, this is a Revan saber hilt. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh, wait, where's the... And it comes with a core check with... Oh, cool. Hang on. Oh, blade plug. Charger. The Allen wrench for the blade itself. I actually already have a blade, so... Because this one doesn't come with a blade. Wait. Oh, it must be dead. I'm gonna have to charge it. So I found the button. Oh, no. Oh, this is so nice. Dude. Oh, it changes color. Oh, that's awesome. If I get a chance, I'm definitely going, when it gets darker, I'm gonna do a full showcase so you guys can see it in its full glory. Oh, I found it off. So this is in the Ahsoka setting. That's nice. Oh, is that Mace? Oh no. That is so awesome. Well, guys, I hope you like this. This is freaking awesome, dude. But I hope you guys like this unboxing. I may do more of these when I get more stuff. Again, I tried to do it with this, but it didn't go well. Hang on. No, there's nothing else in the box. Alright. Well, that's the end for this, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one.